Hi guys, welcome to Line Tips. In this video, we have a total of 12.74 odds for you. Combination of 5 matches is accumulation or parlay as you call it. And let's get started. Our first game today is in Iceland League 1 where AI Alcranes is taking on Tor Alcorei and our prediction is home team win at full time at the odd of 1.55. Then the second game is in Estonia Liga 1 where JK Tabosolo is taking on FC Tallinn and our prediction is home team win at full time. Then our third prediction is in Sweden where they are playing a cup, a game between Hudisval versus Gotne IF, and our prediction is home team win at the odd of 1.65. Then our last game to make up, or the fourth game in this prediction is in Latvia, where Valmeria FC is taking on FK Liepaja, and our prediction is home team win. As you know, our VIP is still on. If you are interested, I will leave my WhatsApp link in the comment section. Kindly chat me up. Also, our Telegram channel is booming, is hot with good predictions. So if you need free prediction, go to our Telegram channel. You get some value there. Also, we predict games daily on this channel. We give 5 to 20 odds on daily basis on our VIP platform. Chat me up if you are interested. And we have made tutorial video on how to predict uh, games in different football market, from full-time draw, half-time draw, over 1.5, both team to score, half-time, full-time, and the rest. So check out this channel for those videos. It will be of help to you. Okay, let's move on to our last game for today. Then we post the booking code. Our last game today is in Finland Liga 2, where SJK Klubi 04 is taking on Laden Lipas, and our prediction is home team win at full time. Okay, let's show the booking code for those people using Sportybet. There's the booking code for Sportybet users: 2A FDDD EDE. If you are not in Nigeria, you can change it to Nigeria before you insert this booking code. All these games are available on all bookies around the world. So kindly bet responsibly and see you in our next video.